how to use ClickUp for construction management. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to use ClickUp for your construction management. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management tool that lets you have a space so you can manage all your details, all your tasks, and others. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it by using template from ClickUp. So first you can open your ClickUp dashboard and then go to your left side. As you can see, I have some space, and if you don't have it yet, you can just click plus icon here to create a space. Maybe you can name it construction like that, and then description is up to you. After that, you can just click continue to create a space, and then you can define your workflow. I'm gonna choose project management, and then you can choose default views, list, and others. You can choose whatever you want. You can click done, and then you can choose create space. And now you have already created a space for your construction company or construction management. Now we're gonna go to template center. You can click your space, construction, and then there is plus icon here on your construction space. You can click it. And then as you can see, there is templates option. You can click it. And then this is the template center. As you can see, you can choose the template type, space, or folder list. I'm gonna, check all of them. And then I'm gonna search for construction, and you will find all of the template for your construction management. So as you can see, you can choose whatever template you want. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one, construction management plan, and you can read the description. This is the description, and also there are some information about the template. So there is a status group like this, and then custom fields. There are a lot of custom fields. There are vendors, duration, workers, and others. You can also modify it later. And then view types, there is list view, board, can, doc view, and others. So let's say this is the template you want. You can just click use template here. And then you can name it. Let's say uh, construction management plan like this. And then for the import option, if you have some data, you can import it. And then you can choose, do you want to include archive task? I just choose no, and then just click use template in the bottom right corner here. And after wait a few seconds, you will get your template. As you can see, this is my template for my construction management. You can modify everything here, it's up to you. And I think this is already good template. But if you want to add or use other template, you can just repeat the process and then you can choose another template. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.